Hello there everyone, welcome back to Bloom Lessons. I'm Brian Andere. Today I'm taking you through how you can export your passwords from Firefox and save them in a file. So to get started, make sure you've opened your Firefox browser and then click on the settings button. Then click on the passwords entry to open your password manager page. And then from this page, if you've saved several items here, they'll show up on this sidebar, and then you can click on an individual item to view its details. So to export your passwords from Firefox Password Manager and save them on your machine, you can just click on this menu button at the top right and then click on Export Logins. Once you click on Export Logins, you'll see this warning. So your passwords will be saved as a readable text, and this means that whenever you save them, they can be read. So click on export to save our passwords. Then before you can finish this action, Firefox will prompt you to confirm your primary password so that you can verify you have permissions to export these passwords. So enter your primary password, then click on sign in. Firefox will open the save file dialog box. Navigate to where you want to save your files. Give it a name like and then click on save. Once you save your exported passwords, you can open your file manager and navigate to where you save them. So for our case, we saved them under documents. Then from here, you can view our saved file. Here it is. So that's how you export your passwords from Firefox Password Vault. This feature is useful if you want to move your passwords to, let's say, a password manager like Bitwarden, and you want to export them so that you can import them into the password manager, or in the cases whereby you want to delete your passwords from Firefox, but you want to save a copy of the same passwords on your machine. But remember, if I can get access to your saved passwords on your machine, I can read the details of those passwords and then I can access your accounts. So thank you again for watching. Remember to keep your passwords secure. Do not export them unless really needed. And also, whenever you export them, once you use the exported file, make sure you delete it completely and remove it from your machine. See you soon, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share.